AutoCAD Drafting design concept. Here I'll start with a story. We'll say I'm designing a residential building for a client, and this is the part of that. Here I have the interior arrangement or interior floor plan of that building. And if you check the building, this is 10 feet by 12 feet 9 inches. And within inside I have a bed and there's a chair. And here we have bed's drawer pedestal, and here there's a cupboard and there's a working desk and a chair. And then if suppose my client is not bothering about the cost, and if he asks me to design the bedroom bigger than this, then I can go for a design. I can go for a size like 14 feet by 16 feet, or else I can make it 16 feet by 20 feet. Then I can include luxury fittings and finishes within the bedroom. There's no issue. But if the client is cost conscious and if he requested me to reduce the size of the bedroom, then I may go for a design something like this. So I'm trying to make the bedroom size as 10 feet by 10 feet. So once I reduce the size, I have to kick two furniture out. So this chair is not here and the drawer pedestal. Anyhow, I can manage to have the working desk and the chair and with the cupboard. Now if the client says no, please reduce more, okay, then I'm trying it. So I reduced 1 foot distance from these two sides. With that I end up 9 feet by 9 feet room space. So within inside this space, how can I manage my furniture? See, even I have to move this bed towards left side, or else I have to go for a custom furniture. Or this small space may not be healthy to live with inside. So how can I design or decide the minimum size of the space? For that, I have to follow the building codes. The building codes are developed by society, authority, association and institute. They are non-profit organization. They can say any room should be more than 10 feet by 10 feet size, or else they can define the area of the space. Okay, these society, authority, association, institutes, what they do is establishing minimum requirement to safeguard public health, safety, means of egress, sanitation, adequate light and ventilation, and safety. For example, regarding finding the minimum size of the room or minimum height of the building, the area of the window that to be provided for a particular space. These things we may find in IBC or UBC, so that is International Building Code or Uniform Building Code. For example, if you are designing a pipeline for a building, a water supply system, then you can follow number 4, IPC, International Plumbing Code. If you are designing electrical, then you can follow NEC, National Electrical Code. And if you want to do a structural design, then you can follow Eurocode. And then here I can find ASHRAE, that is American Society of Heating, Refrigerating and Air Conditioning Engineers. If you want to design an air conditioning system for a building, then you have to follow the code of ASHRAE. Okay, so here we have some more building code from Middle East and Sri Lanka. First, we have RC, Royal Commission, Saudi Ministry Projects. And then we have DEWA, Dubai Electrical and Water Authority. And Qatar Kharama for Qatar. And Sri Lanka, we have UDA, Urban Development Authority, GBCSL, Green Building Council, Sri Lanka, and MC, Municipal Council, and NBRO, National Building Research Organization. So in general, you can follow any of these society to design the particular thing in a building. At the same time, the state or national code also should be followed. Okay, with that brief introduction, we'll continue with the next lecture.